What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So going through my comment section in a few of my videos for SHIB, for Chronos, for JASMY coin, for Terra Luna Classic, XRP, there's definitely people that all say the same thing. I see some of the same people that say the same thing. Maybe it's because they just don't like the content that I produce. Maybe they just don't like cryptocurrency in general, or maybe they just have sour grapes from missing out on the opportunity in the first place. Um, but I see all of the same comments, which are, this is a dead coin, or different forms of that. And it's always interesting to me when people mention this, when people say, hey, something is dead. This is why I make videos where you'll say, where I'd have the title and say, is Shiba Inu dead? Because I get those questions constantly in the chat. And I go through the chat, read every single comment that comes across. I have a lot of positive comments as well, but I like to address the negative ones because it kind of can be a way to kind of convert them to to more of a positive view on something. Um, Even though I can speak to something negative, I can talk about it and say, yes, I understand where you're coming from. But to say that a project is dead is a little ridiculous. Any project, really, because there's a lot of projects out there that even do not have the same amount of volume. But is it a dead project? Some people are making money from it. So it's dead in the form of, not seeing as much volume, if that's what you're referring to. But if you're talking about it being completely dead and nobody's investing into it and you're not going to be able to make money, that's ridiculous. So I wanted to get into this. I wanted to dive into this exact topic for different positions and talk about why I believe that that is false, that, those positions are not dead. So, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Also, if you guys want to check out my Patreon, that link is in the description, and I have some referral links for KuCoin, for Webull, for Crypto.com, Coinbase. Check out those. Those links are in the description. But anyways, when we look at the crypto market and we go through the entire thing, we're seeing $1.18 trillion market cap. Things have fallen down from that $3 trillion market cap that it was at. Even the 1.5 or $1.8 trillion market cap, it's fallen back from that. It went all the way down to like an $800 billion market cap total. And you can see Bitcoin at 28,000. You can see Ethereum at 1,900. You can see BNB that's at, $300 or so. But the conversation comes into play to where they're always mentioning in any video or any thing that you talk about that a project is dead. They're like, oh, cryptocurrency is dead. And that's just ridiculous to say. That's like saying that nobody would invest into cryptocurrency. Nobody's going to invest in cryptocurrency and see no value in cryptocurrency. And that is just insanely false, that you don't have any value in cryptocurrency. But to address more of the singled out cryptocurrencies or singled out positions. One of those positions would be Shiba Inu. Would a project that is a dead project be worth $6.4 billion? Would it have $111 million worth of volume? No, right? It has people that are willing to invest into it. It has whales, it has businesses, it has institutions, it has firms, it has people that are looking to put in a lot of money into this play because they understand not only the value that it could be, but understanding the value that they can gain from it. So no, it's not a dead project for all the people or some of the people that are coming through the comment section saying this is dead, or whatever. Same thing goes with Dogecoin. Somebody said that about Dogecoin recently, and I understand how you can think that, but it's a $11.5 billion market cap. It has $560 million worth of volume. The one day it had $5 billion worth of volume. That sounds like I'm an evil genius trying to take over the world and, get as much money as possible. $5 billion worth of volume in one day. Like, that's not the definition of a dead project. Same thing goes for JASMY coin. Same thing goes for XRP, right? XRP is a $26 billion market cap. Yes, you're going to have some like JASMY that as long as I can type it in, like JASMY coin that has hundreds of millions of dollar market cap. And yes, it only has $64 million worth of volume, but that's still $64 million worth of volume. That's still volume in one day that a lot of projects and a lot of businesses can't see within 1 year or even the lifetime of their business. So to say that a project is dead is insane. And yes, to you it may seem like I'm putting money into a lifeless project, but to me it seems like so much potential. And if you sit here and go, all right, well, this doesn't have potential, it's dead because it's fallen down from $4 down to where it is, you're not understanding everything about cryptocurrency. And I would actually think that you don't understand cryptocurrency as a whole if you're calling projects dead. um for me, I think your investment could be dead or your belief in it could be dead, but the overall project is never going to be dead. This is the one thing about cryptocurrency that people don't understand. They're always trying to apply what happens in the stock market to the actual market, right? Or to the crypto market. And they'll go, all right, well, this business is bankrupt and, their stock is off the table. They've been delisted and now you can't do anything with it. But that's not the case, right? Over in cryptocurrency, if something has gone bankrupt, FTX has gone bankrupt. Is FTT gone? No, FTT token is still here, right? You're going to see Voyager, right? I don't know how to spell it. You're going to see Voyager token that's still here. The thing is that they don't go away. It's still an investment and people are still investing into it. $8.6 million is going into Voyager, right? I don't know how much is going into FTT, right? You have 3 million that's going into FTT. There's still volume that's going into it. Now, you can probably say by your definition, a dead project is when the volume gets down to the lowest lows it's ever been. And, it doesn't seem like it has any ability to come back. And honestly, I understand where you're coming from. That's just a project that just doesn't have as much hype, just doesn't have as much volume, but it doesn't mean that it's dead. It doesn't mean that you can't make money from that as long as you find the right time to invest into the project. Whether it's Shiba Inu, whether it's Terra Luna Classic, whether it's JASMY coin, whether it's XRP or any other position, you got to understand that it's more than just, what the business is doing, what the underlying business is doing, or any other business that's connected to it. It's more about what people see in the investment. And if you see nothing in the investment, then I understand. You can say you see nothing and go on about your day, but don't claim that it is a dead project, that everything's a dead project, because you honestly don't know. And I don't know, right? I don't know that it's not a dead project, but I know for a fact that nothing can be a dead project. So I will never claim that anything is dead. The investment to me could be dead, but the project itself is not dead. And you need to come to terms with that. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this down below. Do you think any of these projects are a dead project? Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu, JASMY coin, XRP, FTT token, Voyager, whatever. Let me know what you think is a dead project and what isn't a dead project. Because a lot of times, the ones that look the most dead give you the most opportunity. Understand that I bought $40 worth of LUNC when everyone out there thought that it was a dead project. And what happened? That 40,000 turned into 30, or that $40 turned into $30,000. So you can keep saying that projects are dead and not see the opportunity in it, and then you just won't gain the max amount that you can gain. Anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.